Here we go again. Outlet from the outside doorbell. This is door 1. I'm going to take this out and put it onto door 2. Now it's on door 2. I'm going to power it up again. There we go. That's powered up. Turn these round again. This is the doorbell. This is the monitor. The monitor's powered up again. There we go. Now we click on here. We go on to doorbell number 2. It's on. And image. Now it says on. Acceso in Italian means on. Okay. And we'll see on the volume. And it says PAL underneath, if you see. So we got everything. And we'll see what happens. Click on here. Nothing. Go on to monitor. Black screen. You can't see anything. You can still see that it's on. I haven't got a link on the Wi-Fi, but it's a black screen. If I click